and team would like will present about presentational aids. Okay, before we present, I would like to ask you, what's your understanding about presentational aid? Okay. The presentational aid have 5 elements. First, any visual. Second, audio aids. Third, audio visual aids. And last, sensory material. My friend, we explain more about this. Let's get it.
Hi, I want to explain about types of presentational aid. According to Vedabird, have 4 presentational aid. The one is visual aid, the second one is audio aids, the third one is audio visual aid, and the last one is other sensory aids.
To talk about how to use colors on the presentation slides. Okay, according to Johnson's, colors advertisement are more likely to be read. Okay, we can see that that slide, the speaker does not indicate the readers which one important point on that slides, as it does not coloring or put that point. Okay, I want to give some tips according my reading. According by the verse, how to use colors on the presentation slides. Okay, according to by the verse, he said we should use bright colors such as red color to highlight the important points. And I want to share, we also should avoid using the red and green together, because according by the verse, who are audience who are plain colors, they may not able to distinguish between points, and that I want to emphasize that using colors on the presentation slide is play a big role, because it can make attract the attention of audience to that points and make them memorize that points. That's one.
Hi! I want to talk about the method for displaying presentational aids. You know? You don't know, kan? I will tell you about it. Presentational aid method is a kind of what the step best for choosing in speech. Before we need to talk about something in front among people, we need to decide what the best method for presentational aid. Okay, presentational aid have a lot of method. For example, poster. Look here, there is a poster. Second, whiteboard and chalkboard. Third, LCD or projector. 5, we can use a flip chart, or we can use a manila card. That's for me.
For displaying presentational aid is LCD or projection. Projection have a pro. We can use among a lot of people. What we need to teach among the people. Using the LCD, or projection or slideshow, that is the best method for using what I have interviewed from Dr. Surya. He said projection or slideshow can give a student to focus what he teaching. And in the slideshow, we can input video, graph, chart, and the pictures. It can, because these all can attract student to focus what he need to teaching in their subject. That is a method for using LCD or slideshow and projection.
Please. Okay, for the second one.
Hello, doctor. I cannot see that font because it is too small, doctor.
One of the guidelines to use a presentation aid is make sure a font is big enough for the audience to see.
Of a speech that are used to support the intent of the speech items other than the words of a speech that are used to support the intent of the speaker.
Please pass your paper for your friend, okay? Presentation aids. Please pay attention for me.
Okay, doctor.
According to Vertical, there are several guidelines for using presentational aids effectively in your speech. Before this, we show to you the wrong way and correct way to use a presentational aid. Now, I would like to elaborate a certain point that mention it. First, talk to your audience, not to presentational aids. This is important to you maintain your eye contact with your audience. And second point is display a visual aid that everyone can see them. And don't try to block your slide or using your hand to show it something. Advice is stand one step from your slide and speech and deliver your speech. And last point is avoid passing object around audience because it can interrupt audience focus. This is why the best time to distribute your handout is before you start your speech, not during your speech.
Okay, I am back. So, you understand right about presentational aids? I hope you understand more about presentational aid. Bye bye.